In this video, we'll show you how macro to micro imaging can make your experiments more efficient and reliable. The conventional way to detect samples relies on contrast-based methods, but these don't always work. Using trained neural networks, TruAI technology can be used to automatically detect your samples when contrast methods fail. In this example, we'll use TruAI technology to detect only pollen grains of interest in a sample. To start, go to cellSens Software's Experiment Manager to create your macro to micro experiment. First, TruAI technology acquires a wide overview image. From this image, TruAI detects each pollen grain. 55 pollen grains were detected. The software then automatically acquires fluorescent Z-stack images of each of the 55 pollen grains, greatly speeding up the imaging process. This also works for bright field images. In this example, cellSens uses the microscope's autofocus to acquire high-resolution, stitched images of 6 tissue samples that were automatically detected. As you've just seen, our macro to micro solution can make your experiments faster and more efficient. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit evidencescientific.com.